Good evening, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Andrea Michaels here with the latest on our weather impact alert for Tuesday's winter storm that we have been tracking for several days now. It's going to be a snow mix, the system that we've been advertising for days, starting at 3 o'clock in the morning Tuesday and lasting until 1 o'clock in the afternoon in its entirety. We continue, of course, to keep a very close eye on the track. That dreaded rain snow line often makes or breaks snow for snow lovers, of course. And we have seen a slight shift this afternoon in the snow rain line to the northwest. Whenever you see that happen, that means rain is going to cut into totals, but our map won't be too different from what you've seen. Here is a look, though, at our satellite and radar with the latest out to the west. You can see the snow continues to gradually march through the Midwest, now entering the Ohio Valley. And soon enough, it's only several hours from making it into the western portion of the state. Of course, some mixing is going to take place as well. We're keeping an eye on that, especially in our southeasternmost spots. Winter weather advisories posted across the Midwest, Ohio Valley, Mid-Atlantic, and even up through New England in the shaded purple. These pink alerts, winter storm warnings, but those are through New England. Here in the state, we're only looking at winter weather advisories highlighted in the purple here, and ours specifically starts at 3 o'clock in the morning and lasts until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it does include all of our counties, of course, and the same time, too, from start to finish. So with that said, here is the latest timeline. From 3 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock in the morning Tuesday, the snow will arrive from west to east. After 7 o'clock in the morning, mixing is going to move in, especially in southeastern Adams, Lancaster, and York counties. That's going to move from southeast to northwest. Everything comes to an end from 10 o'clock in the morning until 1 o'clock in the afternoon from west to east. Snow in a mix by that point. And here's Futurecast to get you a better idea of what this will visually look like. You can see at 3 o'clock in the morning here, we've got the blue indicating the snow across the western portion of the state. That slides in through about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, but I want to call your attention to that green and some of that pink there, indicating the mixing potential that could already be getting into portions of York and Lancaster counties. Think bare minimum the farther southeast you live in our area here. And then, of course, that mixing line is going to gradually work its way to the northwest. Notice all of the blue still. That's accumulating wet snow. As that rain snow line approaches the Harrisburg area, that will compress the totals and turn it pretty slushy. But to the north and to the northwest, this is where you could get our higher end amounts. Keep that in mind. Of course, slushy, slippery, slick travels. Most of those spots are going to get 2 to 5 inches, but I think northwest of Harrisburg, where you see the least amount of mixing, is your best chance for those higher 4 or 5 inch amounts. And of course, that's going to drop down because of the increased chance of mixing as you head to our farther southeastern spots like York, Lancaster, and southeastern Adams County. Then it's just plain cold through the rest of the week here. Quieter Tuesday afternoon and things will improve, and then it just stays cold and quiet, breezy with a few flurries for Thursday. Friday, frigid. Look at this, temperatures in the 20s. Those numbers are going to be nearly 20 degrees below seasonal averages for this time of year. Morning snow showers possible Saturday, a few more flurries with breezy conditions for Sunday with another hit of frigid air for your Monday. I'll be back with another update to check in around 8 o'clock in the evening. Stay tuned, everybody.